Hello everyone, welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting. This is your strategic business growth support partner. So we are back live again to give you a very important video as we've always been doing. And today's live streaming is a practical one, a very important video that really help you will do you a lot of good in your business as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. Yes, Zoho One is a software. So it's a trending software now in the market. Zoho One, you need to have one for yourself. So it's an important software. And this time around, the Nigerian Revenue Service, the e-invoicing, that's already taking place. The implementation is already on, and every business owner needs to implement this accounting software. And this accounting software that we are talking about here, it's a cloud-based accounting software. It is Zoho One. So we'll be showing you this accounting software and why you need one. Yes, why you need one. So it's a very important software that you need to implement for your business because it has all the you know various arms of the business. When we talk about Zoho One, it's a cloud-based accounting software. It is cloud-based, right? And all the information are stored on the cloud. It has the accounting books, it has the HR, that's the human resource, and of course, it has the sales and marketing. Everything that you need in the software is readily available. So that's why we are bringing you this live streaming today to dissect this Zoho One. So Zoho One is one of the best software that you can get in the market as we speak. It's one of the best software that you can get in the market. So the Zoho One has books. This is for the posting of transactions, for the accountants, sales, purchases, expenses, getting reports of your financial statements. You have everything there. And then you have this click. So you can chat with your customer, chat with can chat with your fellow employees and all of that. You can chat with them. So you can see connect. You connect with various people in the department, in the work organization. You see expense and you can see inventory for your products. And this meeting, you can have meeting, external meeting, internal meeting. You can schedule meeting at any time. So it is a very good software that we recommend for business owners. So you have notebook as well. You have people, that's for the HR units, for recruits. Recruit is there as well. So you can see a lot of things are available on the Zoho One. You can see sheets, look at show, you can do work drive, you can store all your documents instead of filing paperwork every now and then. You can have a file, an e-drive file. You can write, this is CRM, customer relation management. You can see it has a whole lot. Sales inbox, social. You can connect to all your social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, every social media platforms. You can connect there. Sales IQ, see marketing automation. You can do your marketing, right? This is commerce. So Zoho One is really, really a game changer. And now that the Nigerian Revenue Service has, started the rollover of the e-invoicing, so every business must have a very good software, and Zoho One is one of the powerful software that businesses can implement. So we are breaking everything down this in this live streaming, why you need Zoho One, why you need Zoho One, why every businesses need Zoho One. So that's what we are dissecting on today's live streaming. And I think this is your first time of connecting to us on this YouTube channel, please you will do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time of joining us on this channel. Please do well to subscribe because we are always bringing you important, valuable videos. And another information is that the Rev 360, which has replaced the Task Pro Max, has already started. So businesses have been migrated into the software. So if you need training on the Rev 360 portal platform, digital platform for filing, please feel free to reach out to us. We offer training and we also offer outsource accounting service. We can be your tax consultant, your external auditor. So we also implement accounting software like Zoho One. And of course, Zoho Books is also available if you don't want to implement the whole enterprise software, which is the Zoho One. So you can also choose book aspect as well. So the book aspect also has the inventory, books proper, and of course the expenses angle and everything that you also need. So you can reach out to us. We help you to do all this implementation. So now, like we said, if you need the training on Rev 360, we are always available and we can serve as your tax consultant. We render tax services as well and we implement accounting software as well. So looking at today's live streaming on Zoho One. So the reason why we are bringing you all these videos is because things are changing quickly and businesses are now, going digital. There's no analog or manual again. So if you are still using manual, so this video is really, really important for you to get things, rolling the right way, in a seamless way for your business. So if you're a business owner busy switching between many apps, spreadsheets, emails, WhatsApp messages, and you are tired of using too many business apps that don't work together. So one app for accounting, another for HR, that's human resource, another for sales, and another for maybe for operations and all of that. And yet your business still feels disorganized because you are using different apps. It makes your work disorganized. So you have to switch between one app to the other. If you could run your entire business from one powerful system. So today we are talking about Zoho One, the operating system for modern businesses. This is a super, super good software and it is cost effective. It is very, very cost effective. We are discussing with one of our clients and we're comparing QuickBooks with Zoho Books, and they can attest to the fact that Zoho Books is very cost effective. But then if you want to implement the whole enterprise system, the price can be a little bit higher than a just single Zoho Books, because Zoho One, just like we've mentioned, have the sales, have marketing, has the accounting, books, has everything that you need, the HR and every unit of the work department in an organization. So this Zoho One operating system is a game changer for modern business, those that want to work seamlessly and deliver efficiently, either internally or externally. So how TOSJOHN Consulting can help you implement it successfully, we'll be dissecting this on today's live stream. So in section number one, what is Zoho One? What is this Zoho One? So it's a visuals of Zoho dashboard. It has CRM, that's customer relation management. It has accounting, it has HR, it has analytics, it has sales, it has marketing. So Zoho One is an all-in-one business suite that combines over 45 integrated business applications into a single platform. It is in a single software, so you can access everything when you open the software as one. That's why it is called Zoho One. So it helps businesses manage sales and customer relationship management, accounting and invoicing, human resource and payroll, customer support, marketing automation, project management, inventory, team collaboration, analytics and much more. This is powerful. So instead of paying for multiple disconnected software tools, Zoho One brings everything together in one ecosystem, and it is cloud based, meaning that any damage to your computer, to your laptop, to your system does not affect your information. It is stored on the cloud. Just get the login details, log in, and you get all your information. And as you are working, everything is being saved on the cloud automatically. And there's super security for all your informations. So in section number two, why businesses love Zoho One. So why does businesses love Zoho One? Because it has visuals of automation workflow, dashboards, happy team, collaboration. So one major advantage of Zoho One is integration. Your sales team, your finance department, your HR team and customer support can all work from connected systems, and this is powerful. For example, a customer fills a form online, the lead enters your customer relationship management automatically. Your sales team gets notified, an invoice is generated, follow-up emails are automated. This is super, super great. So everything flows together, is all in one, and every department get to perform all their work efficiently. So Zoho One also includes automation tools like artificial intelligence assistance, that's AI assistance, analytics dashboards and low code customization capabilities. So businesses around the world use Zoho One because it improves productivity, team collaboration, customer experience, reporting and decision making, and of course operational efficiency. So in section number three, the reality most businesses face. The reality most businesses face. Of course, you see confused staff, messy workload, disconnected system here and there. So, but here is the truth. Buying the software is super easy. Implementing it correctly is the real challenge. And we are here to help you overcome the challenge of implementation. So we implement accounting software, Zoho One, and any other software that you might want to choose efficiently, seamlessly, and super working well for you as we implement. So many businesses struggle because their workflows are not properly configured. Staff are not well trained or not trained at all. Too many apps are enabled at once. Systems become confusing instead of efficient. So even users on online communities say Zoho works best when properly structured and customized for the business workflow, and that's where expert implementation matters. And we are your business automation experts, your business strategic growth partner. So we are always available to work with you and put in a working system for your business. So in section number 4, why choose TOSJOHN Consulting? So the consulting session, the onboarding training, the business transformation, and we are always with you in the journey of your business. So at TOSJOHN Consulting, we help businesses successfully deploy and optimize Zoho One. We implement it seamlessly for you, train your staff, and continue to give you support. So we don't just install software, we help you to analyze your business processes, your business process, configure the right Zoho applications, automate workflows, train your staff, integrate departments, migrate all your data successfully, improve reporting and productivity, scale your operations efficiently. So whether you are a startup, SME, school, consulting firm, church, hospital, food, whatever enterprise business that you're operating in, we customize Zoho One to fit your operations. 5, who should use Zoho One? So Zoho One is perfect for SME, accounting firms, consulting businesses, firms, retail businesses, educational institutions, service-based, product-based businesses, growing startups. So if your business uses multiple disconnected tools, spreadsheets, and manual processes, when Zoho One can transform the way you work, so you need to choose Zoho One or Zoho Books as it well. Call to action. So ready to digitalize and automate your business, you need to contact us at TOSJOHN Consulting for professional Zoho One implementation training and continuous support and business automation implementation. Don't just run your business, run it smarter with Zoho One. So we are always available for you any day, any time. So please, if today is your first time of joining us YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 250 videos that we have streamed on this YouTube channel. So we will still be bringing you more videos on business automation, and of course we have so many videos on CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission, on the Nigerian Tax Reform Act. We have it here. We have for taxes, we have for accounting, we have for audit, we have for business strategies, business processes, compliance. So please do well to check out all these videos And if you need any of our professional consulting services, please reach out to us. Thank you for staying through. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like our videos, share with other business owner. Until we come your way in another live streaming, please stay compliant. Bye for now.